Carol. How y'all doing? You doing good? I hope so. Very stressful times, right? But we'll get through this. I mean, we're all cooped up and we can go out for walks. We can do that. We can go for a drive. And if you're isolating with people, at least you've got your company right there. So, although I'm hot today, I am wearing this so I don't look too bare. Because I only have a tank top on, so I'm putting this jacket on and this hat, and I am going to show you a couple of things that I got. I'm excited about this. Saturday Skin sent me a couple of things through Octoly, and I'm so thrilled. Look at this. It's called Waterfall. It's a glacier water cream, and it looks like gel. It's so beautiful. Ooh, that is so beautiful. Let's see if it has a smell. I don't think so. I don't think it does. Place moisturizer into the palm of your hand using all 4 fingers. Apply in an outward circular motion, tapping the moisturizer into skin. Well, that is really very detailed, I would say. It says, dive into hydration. Alaska glacier water envelops skin with refreshing moisture. Hydrating Iceland moss extract helps to soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. Well, that is beautiful. And of course, it's got no parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrance, or synthetic color. First of all, bravo for the packaging. Saturday Skin, you have the best packaging right there. You won me over. But then the texture of your moisture and the benefits of it and the ingredients, that's what we like. So that is one thing that they sent me. And then they sent me my favorite eye cream. Here it is. It's called Wide Awake. It's a brightening eye cream. And let's see. Whoop, there it is. Can't waste it. Ooh, that smells good. Kind of citrusy. Really nice. Let's see. It's called Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. It's an exclusive peptide formula that promotes skin's natural regeneration process. Very nice. Let's see. The recipe for radiance from Chaum. Okay, it has this thing called CHA7, CHA-7, and the exclusive CHA7 is an advanced formula developed to naturally activate your skin's power of renewal. The powerful peptide infusion taps into skin's biorhythms to target key signs of lackluster skin. Well, that's what I like to do. I like to get rid of lackluster skin. And leaving skin smooth, firm, radiant, and refreshed. The CHA7S complex doesn't fight aging. It preserves youth. I know I've told you this before with this. That's what it preserves youth. The patent recipe was formulated and crafted to perfection by our scientists at the world-renowned Research and Wellness Center. Chaum, South Korea's premier destination among celebrities and royal families from around the world. Now you have access to its exclusive formula at your fingertips. And I have a link below where you could go check this out if you'd like. Thank you, Saturday Skin. I love you. Another great thing I got was from Clarins. It's a Lip Comfort Oil Intense in number 05. Let's see what this is. It's called soft texture, bold color, mirror shine, lip stain effect, and a blend of 3 plant oils. It cares for your skin, plant enriched, anti-pollution complex, and lip hydration all in one. And look at this gorgeous packaging. Woo! And it's got a little gold lips right there. Let's get the fingerprints off. Isn't that pretty? Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's see. Oh, it smells good. It smells kind of fruity. That's one coat. So let me give it a second and we'll do another coat. Ooh. I don't know if you even need 2 coats. Oh, it does get darker. Okay, so you could do a sheer or you could do a more of an opaque. And let's see. What does this say? Lightweight cream oil. Intense pink. Bold color, mirror shine, lip stain effect, soft texture, a blend of 3 plant oils. And should I put it on? I should put it on, right? Okay. It's so pretty. I love it. Oh, this will go great with my burgundy polish. I thought I had it on today. But this will go good with the burgundy polish, right? I just want to wipe it off my arm before I get it on my jacket. Now it is leaving a stain, so that's pretty good. So let's see. What did I want to tell you? Oh, so I went to visit my daughter the other day, and this is a picture of her sitting on her front lawn and me sitting in the car. So I take a picture of her because she looked like Mary Poppins sitting there. Oh, and that umbrella she's using is UV. No UV can get through there. So she could sit outside at her kids' games and she gets no UV rays on her head. So that's pretty good. But she's so cute. That's how we visit. I've been collecting empty bottles and then cashing them in. Of course, not now. I don't want to cash them in, so I'm storing them in my storage thing. And I keep telling the kids, save me your bottles, save me your cans, because every big black garbage bag full of cans or bottles, milk bottles, soda cans, beer cans, seltzer cans, is worth about $7. So it doesn't hurt, right? I'm also making jewelry, and I want to do a big shout out for the Baking Diva, my friend Dolores. Dolores purchased 2 necklaces from me, and I think she's going to show them on her channel. I don't show all my jewelry, but if you want to purchase something, I will send you an email of a few of the pieces that I don't show. And she loved it. She loved it. One of them I made, and one of them I had imported. And they are so cute. So I'm going to put her link down below. She does the greatest recipes. She has the easiest, quickest, cutest recipes, and I just love her. And thank you, Dolores. Thank you for purchasing 2 of my pieces of jewelry. I appreciate it. And her link will be below. So, okay, so I think that's it. Stay safe. If you miss your family, you could always do a drive-by. If they live near you and you can't see them, then take a ride by them. Honk the horn. Let them come to the front door. You sit in the car and you say, hi, and then you could just yell back and forth about 20 feet apart. And at least there's something to do. At least you can go visit them. If they live near you. And, Okay, so that's my daughter sitting there. And then my granddaughter's boyfriend comes over every now and then and brings lunch. He doesn't go in the house anymore, but he sits outside, or they sit in two cars, in her car and his car. And like one will be in the driver's seat and one is in the passenger seat of the other car. And they talk to each other and they have lunch. And the other day, my daughter made him one of his favorite meals. And here's a picture of him sitting outside the house while he was eating the dinner. My granddaughter's boyfriends are absolutely precious. I love them. They are so nice. They're so sweet. They're so respectful. They're just great catch. I really care for them a lot. And I thought this was so cute. He had brought her over, I think McDonald's or something, and he sat outside and she sat in the house. Isn't that cute? Zizi, you could do that. You could have lunch with somebody, sit outside their house while they're in the house. Okay, so thanks so much. I hope this distracted you for a few minutes. And I hope you check Dolores out. And I'll see you in my next video. Remember, I'm praying for you. Let's pray for the world. Love you. There's the lipstick.